Hi everyone. Our topic for today is understanding how to start your own bank account. Doing things on your own without depending on anyone, that would be good. You yourself can create a bank account if you want. I will take you with two examples, one private bank and one government bank. I will explain how to apply. Then you can follow as you are. Each bank have their own unique things, but the basic things are same for every bank. I will explain you. I will take out one on a private bank, HDFC. Go to Google, type HDFC, and go to the HDFC home page. It should be a secured page. There, go apply online. What are you looking for? You're applying online. Um, there you have a save option. Through that, deposit, savings account. There are so many options: savings account, salary account, current accounts, blah blah blah, women account, everything is there. Women's can also prefer women account, that's of great use. All the other things I think mostly not needed. The main thing is savings account is secured one for us, and women's can prefer women account. But you can check out the interest rate, everything, and you can select all the other things. Current account, those things are all for business people, not for common people. Salary account also, I think more than that, you can even have your salaries in your savings account. I had like that only. So just go through everything. I'm just going through everything, just showing you people what are things are available. Senior citizen ladies can go for senior citizen account. That's very useful. You will have high interest rates, so all the retired ladies can do that. Now, once you select deposit and savings account, it will ask for your mobile number, and it will ask you to enter the code, and you should proceed with the confirmations. I agree things. Once you do that, it will take you to another page to fill a form. It's coming, it's on the way. I'm just typing now. I'm not showing you what's the mobile number, everything. You type your mobile number. So I'm not going to open an account, I'm just showing you people, so I'm not typing anything. Once you do, it will ask for KYC documents, that is know your customer document. It's for them, they need to know you are the customer here. So you have to give your Aadhaar card, address, Aadhaar card number, everything. So like that, you have to select something, you have to give those numbers, you have to agree with it, and you have to fill a form. That's a very normal thing, not very normal questions, basic questions to know about you would be asked. Once you do everything, what they do is they approach you directly. They will call you, as you have given your number, they will call you and they will proceed with it. So it's easy for you. For government banks, I will explain you about SBI. Okay, the most trusted government bank, most of them are using that only. So I will give you about SBI. Go to SBI, go for a secured web page of SBI. For every secured page, what you have to do is the HTTPS should be lock sign. It should have a lock sign, or it should be in green color and everything. You can refer my blog to know more about this. Then go to, I will give you in the description my blog link also. Read that, you will understand more detailedly. Then here also go for deposit saving account. So normal savings account you are going to open, so that would do. Then you have to, here you have to fill a form. It's a very normal form here, just giving some details about you. Once you give that, for government banks mostly, SBI like stuff, you have to go there. They may contact you. Even if not, you have to go there directly, and you have to inform them I have applied online and I'm coming, or else they may even call you and ask you to come to the bank. You have to go once at least. Private banks, you can try to finish it off without even reaching the bank. Sometimes they too ask you to come. Most of the time you can manage without going. Anyhow, whatever it is, don't give your original documents to anyone. Even for private banks, if they are coming home and collecting your stuff, so only give them your photocopies. Never give your original documents. And even for government banks, you have to go there. There also, there you can get it back. Don't leave that and come. You have to get it back. It's secured. Mostly everything is secure nowadays. For even private banks are doing very well. Anyhow, you have to be cautious of revealing your OTPs and giving them your original documents. Be sure. And like this is the form, you have to fill this form. That's all. So it's already mentioned. Single branch visit is needed. It's so easy. So start your own account, ladies. You can do that. Catch you all soon. Bye.